Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very powerful and effective hair growth treatment that you can use on your bald spots, thinning areas, and watch your hair grow thick and strong. So if you're interested, grab a seat. Let's proceed. So guys, the first ingredient we're going to be having is cinnamon or cinnamon sticks. Research shows that cinnamon can help to promote healthy hair growth due to its rich nutrient composition. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antifungal properties that helps to protect the scalp and hair from external damage, irritation, and prevention of dandruff. Cinnamon helps to prevent hair loss and balding. It helps to improve hair length and hair volume. It helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. Cinnamon helps to prevent hair from damage and improve hair health. Cinnamon contains vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin A. It also contains essential nutrients and proteins that help to strengthen the hair from the root. Moving on to the second ingredient, we have rosemary, and I'm going to be making use of dry rosemary. So for this recipe, you can use dry or fresh rosemary, any of them can do. My rosemary leaves are dry, as you can see. I bought them when they were fresh and dried up after a couple of days. So that's why they look like this. So right now I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate or remove the leaves from the sticks, and I'm going to be using my hands to do this. Rosemary is very beneficial to the hair in general. This herb is very powerful in promoting hair growth. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help to stimulate hair growth, reduce hair fall, reduce scalp inflammation, reduce dandruff, stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles, as well as strengthening the hair. So I just used a few of them, like 3, and the rest I'm gonna keep for another day. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding in the recipe is star anise. So this is the first time I'm trying out star anise to my hair. So before trying this ingredient, I decided to do research, and I found that it is beneficial to the hair and it helps to promote a healthy and beautiful looking hair. Star anise is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that nourishes the hair from within and strengthens the hair shaft, and also helps to nourish the scalp. It helps to combat dandruff and scalp infections by hydrating the scalp and removing dandruff causing jams, flakes, and any kind of scalp infections. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a jar, and then I'm going to add all the ingredients in it. First, I'll add some cinnamon sticks. About 3 to 5 will be enough for the treatment. The next ingredient I'm going to add in the jar is my dried rosemary leaves. Next, I will add star anise, and I'll use a few of them. Once I'm done transferring all the ingredients to the jar, now I'm going to be using water to infuse them, and I'll use hot water. You all know that I like using hot water all the time when I'm infusing my ingredients, because it helps to infuse them faster without wastage of time. So if you want the ingredients to infuse fast, you need to use hot water. So right now I'm gonna leave them to infuse for 24 hours for better infusion to take place. After 24 hours of infusion, this is how the treatment is looking like. Now you can see the color is dark brown, which means that the infusion process took place well. And now I'm going to be straining out to get the liquid. I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share the video to your loved ones, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So once I'm done straining out, I'm going to transfer to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how I use on my hair. I'll also be explaining the ways you can use this treatment to achieve maximum benefit. Just keep watching and enjoy the video. I will be using this treatment as a leave-in, but before I do the application, I will make sure that each single section is not twisted. So as you can see now, I'm applying from the roots as I distribute towards the ends. I make sure that that section is well saturated with treatment, and once I'm done, I will use my hands and my fingers to finger detangle and to distribute the treatment. Finger detangling has really helped me to retain length. If you want to retain length and you want to detangle your hair with ease without having a lot of breakage, then you need to consider finger detangling your hair all the time whenever you are doing any application. One thing I like to do after I apply the treatment to one section, I like to twist it back so as to avoid shrinkage and tangles. So now I'm going to the other sections. I'm going to repeat the same process to each one of them until I complete all sections. Another way you can use this spray is as a leave-in. Once you shampoo and condition your hair, then follow up by applying this treatment. Then cover your hair with a plastic bag for about 30 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. What I like to use most is to use it as a leave-in because I want to achieve maximum benefit. If you have issues like hair loss, you want to increase hair thickness, you have some bald spots, flaky scalp, then you need to use this as a leave-in so that you achieve its benefits. Using this as a leave-in, you are going to see changes in a short period of time. So you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Massage it to your problem areas and then follow up with your favorite moisturizer or hair butter in order to seal and lock moisture. Do not leave it like that because your hair will dry out and it's gonna break. For me, I'm not going to apply it here, but I'll do it off the camera to save time. We are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. Hope you enjoyed, and if so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Join the family and also share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.